Eh di wag!
Do you wanna build a snowman or ride a bike around the halls? I think summer is overdue. Started talking to the pictures on the wall.
Tama na guys. Masaya pala mag-karaoke. Ba't di ako nagka-karaoke sa ano ko? Napagod na si Ana. Bastos mo. Para sa mga niloko. Let's do this. Start na ba? May mag-blue, di ba?
You say I'm crazy, 'cause you don't think I know what you've done. But when you call me baby, I know I'm not the only one. If there's someone available, you say I'm crazy, 'cause you don't think I know what you've done. But when I'm the only one, alam ko
Alam niyo ba, Blooms?
but when you call me baby, I know I'm not the only one. Alam ko, I know I'm not the only one. I know I'm not the only one. And I know, 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 I know I'm not the only one.
Opo. Alam ko pong hindi po ko nag-iisa. Bakit parang nangarag ako after ng isang song? Fresh pa naman ako kanina. Ngumunguya ng ice. Musta Blooms? Nandiyan pa pala kayo. Thank you, Ate Jos. Naubos ba yung 1.5 Coke? Tawang-tawa ako. Nakita pala sa video na lahat kami may hawak ng 1.5 na Coke kasi galing kami dinner, no? Ay, dinner. Nag-ano kami nun? Lunch, late lunch. Tapos, ang dami kasing Coke na binigay. Like, akala ko talaga tig-isa-isa kami ng Coke. Ang daming Coke na binigay sa amin sa table namin. Eh, hindi naman lahat ma-Coke. Yung iba nagkalamansi juice, iba ng tubig lang. Tapos, ang daming natira na Coke. So, sabi namin, sayang. So, kumuha ko yung tig-isa-isa. Hindi ko na malayan, halos lahat pala kami naka-Coke na. Hindi ko na alam. Love on top. Sige, mag-love on top. Love on top, love on top. Itong love on top, favorite to na songs ng mga main vocals ng BINI. Ito yung lagi lang kinakanta. Rinig buong bahay. Hindi, gusto ko may kasabay ako. Parang malakas. Nax main vocal ka. Huy! Sabayan natin si Beyonce. Bring the beat in!
Honey, honey, I can see the stars all the way from here. Can you see the glow on the window pane? Feel the sun whenever you're near. Every time you touch me, I just melt away. Everybody asks me why I'm smiling now from ear to ear, but I know nothing's perfect, but it's perfect after fighting through my tears. And finally put me first. Maybe it's you. You're the one I love. You're the one I need. You're the only one I see. Come on, baby, it's you. You're the one that can give you all. You're the one I can always call when I need to make everything stop.
Alam ko na! Alam ko na!
I drew a wish in a while. Don't ask me, I'll never tell. I look to you as a friend, and now you're in my way. I traded my soul for a wish, pennies and dimes for a kiss. I wasn't looking for less, but now you're in my way. Your step was holding, red jeans, skin was showing. Heart now, wind was blowing. Where you think you're going, baby? Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my number. So call me maybe. It's hard to look back at your baby, but here's my number. So call me maybe. Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my number. So call me maybe. And all the other boys trying to chase me, but here's my number. So call me maybe.
Uy, wag niyo i-type yung number.
You took your time with the call, I took no time with the fall. You gave me nothing at all, but still you're in my way. I beg and borrow and still, at first sight and it's real. I didn't know I would feel it, but it's in my way. Your stare was holding, ripped jeans, skin was showing. Heart now, wind was blowing. Where you think you're going, baby? Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy.
Ang sakit! Uy, ang dami ng number! Guys, mag-send kayo ng Gcash sa isa't isa.
So call me
Baka pala may tulog na.
Trying to chase me, but here's my number. So call me maybe. To my life, I miss you so bad. I miss you so bad. I miss you so bad. Before you came into my life, I miss you so bad. So call me maybe. It's hard to look right. I got a condo in Manhattan. Baby girl, what's up there? You're invited, so come and get to clapping. Got for a fam, pop it for me. Turn around and jump it for a fam, jump it for me. Beach house in Miami. Wake up with no wait for dinner. Who you serve that time? You got it if you want it, got it if you want it. Said you got it if you want it. Take my wallet if you want it. Now jump in the Cadillac, girls, put some miles on it. Anything you want, just to put a smile on it. You deserve it, baby, you deserve it all. And I'm gonna give it to you. Gold jewelry shining so bright. Hey, strawberry champagne, all nice. Lucky for you, that's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. The fire at night, silly sheets and diamonds, all white. Lucky for you, that's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. You to Puerto Rico, say the word and we go. You can be my freaka, girl, I'll be your freaka, mamacita.
Pumipiyok na ako, guys.
I promise that your smile ain't gonna never be. Shopping sprees in Paris, every day 24 carats.
Ay, bawal ba yun eh?
Is it you? Is it me? Say it's us, and I agree, baby. Let's go, Blues. Let's all stand up. Let's go. A, the BLOOMS Blooms. This is that ice cold Michelle fight for the white gold. This one for them good girls, with masterpiece. Styling, wildin', living up in the city. Got chucks on with Saint Laurent, gotta kiss myself so pretty. I'm too hot. The police in the fireman, I'm too hot. Gonna tell you what I've been trying to make, I'm too hot. Say my name, you know who I am, I'm too hot. And band I don't wanna break it down. Girl says you hallelujah, ooh. Girl says you hallelujah, ooh. Girl says you hallelujah, ooh. Uptown funk, don't give it to you. Uptown funk, funk. Don't believe me, just watch. 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 Hey, hey, stop. Wait a minute. Fill my cup, put some nigga in it. Take a sip, sign the check. Julio. Get the scratch.
Tama na, guys.
Hollywood, Jackson, Mississippi. If we show up, we gon' show up. Smoother than a fresh drop skipping. Too hot. Holy.
Ayoko, nalimot ko na may sticker pala. Tama na. Pagod ako. Pagod ako. Pagod ako. No fear?
The lazy song.
Ayoko, at 150k. Isarado natin itong 150k. If nag-enjoy kayo, Bloom, isarado natin 200k. Tara, tara, tara. Tara, tara, tara. Yes po, meron po bukas. Bakit pen apple, apple peel? No, I don't want. At 150. Shooting on you. Thank you, yes sir. Thank you, Rona Beans. Drink water.
Don't believe me, just watch.
Taki-taki. Taki-taki. Gangnam Style. Guys, wala akong makakaraoke doon. Mga sepa naman nandito. Last 3K. Ano? Ay, 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 ay! No fear. Pwede naman. Pop off ate. Hindi naman kayo nagsasawa sa akin na nagka-pop off ate, no? Sorry guys. Sobrang talaga ako na ano dun. Na-obsess. Obsess? Run the world. Diyos ko. Uy! Fire. Ano kaya drug ni Magabef gusto mo? Isipan niyo ako. Dapat related sa purple. Thank you, Coach Abby. Nice meeting you po earlier. Thank you, Mariel. Barney Purple. Ito na, maka-experience ako mag-kick. Sino yun? 5 minutes lang naman. So, sakto 5 minutes end day live ko. Power ka dyan. Cause I'm Slim Shady, yes, I'm the real Shady. All you other Slim Shady to just imitate. Someone the real Shady, better please stand up. Ano yan, be? Hindi ka. May lyrics ko sa gilid. So, napakanta. Ubebe. Please welcome on the stage, Ubebe. Ang ganda! Ang ganda ng Ubebe. Ubebe. Ubebe, bebe. Ito na. Chill lang tayo, chill.
Let's take our time.
Ang bilis ng transition.
Girl, above us all the stars are watching.
Ah, huwag to. Di naman ano, if nilagay mo na meaning. God, blooms. Why are you guys like that? It's not. Or this. Yes, feel that wave.
Ay.
Ay!
Rosie. Diba?
Diba? Yeah!
Rosie. Sabes que habrá conmigo tengo que bailar hoy. Diba? Vi que tu mirada ya estaba llamándome. Muéstrame el vino que yo doy. Bastos.
Para tayo ay pasimulas conmigo. Despacito, despacito, firma las paredes de tu laberinto y hasta los palos de nuestros gritos.
Nandito na si Chito Miranda, nandito na si Kiko, si Francis Magalona.
Bong sadness.
Despacito.
Despacito.
Dito, in 5, 4, 3, 2.
Nahilo ako. Wala na akong energy pang headbang. Nandito na si Chito Miranda, nandito rin si Kiko, Francis Magalona, nandito rin si Glamnan, wala siyang apelido, magbabagsakan dito. Di ko alam kung saan dito, sama-sama sa mga pasabog nila Kiko, ang kakastig, pati hindi na bibitay, kamulutay ka lang, painom na ng tubig, sa segunda, baka mo katumba, dapat makaisa ko na rhyme na maganda, basta magpagbigkas, ang pagkakamangalit ng libo-libo na Pilipino nakikinig sa mga pag-ibig ko. Pero ka nagugulat sa mga mabagal. Sinusulit ka, pagiging makulit. Kailangan galingan, hindi na nagtapatan ng tutulad na parang kaya sa aming samahan. Ano kung masakapin? Kailangan mo lang makasama kung ito kung iwarin. Nagpasasali na magaling din ako kaya nasali. Si Chito Miranda, nandito na si Kiko, si Francis Magalona. Si Glamnan, wala siyang apelido, magbabagsakan dito, babanat na si Kiko. Hala, English! Nandun din, 357, no, pero mga solis, dito na si Kiko, kasama si Kiko at si Glamnan. Hindi mo pikita lumabas yung mga salita sa aking bibig, na di ba nakakita akong bumama, alam mo nga, at makahawat na rin ito. Baka madalo yung mga ngayon nakatira sa antipolo, sumasaklolo sa mga hip-hop, pwede ka rin dito, pwede rin tripla. Sigla kasama ng parokya na parang bulaga na kailangan di mabokya. Di mo na kailangan pamalang makrobo kita. Lahat ay nagsama-sama, may check ito na sa mga kasama. Magalona ang lang ng parokya, hindi mo neto in. Isang sirena, kahit anong sabihin nila, ako ay ugong ng ganda. Ako'y isang sirena, kahit anong gawin nila, bandera ko'y di tutumba. Na may tubig ang sinisisi, naglalakihang mga braso sa aking lumibiglig. Lang na may tubig ang sinisisi, sa patagalan ng paghinga sa akin kayo ay bibigay. Simula pa nung bata pa ako, halata mo na kapag naglalaro, kaya para lahat ay nalito, magaling sa Chinese Carter at iko. Mga labi ko'y pulang-pula, sa bubblegum na sinapa, palakad-lakad sa kapang ng salamin, sinasal sa sarili ng pangangailan. Ako kumegewat ang bewang, mga ikaw na bumegewang, gamit ang pulpos ng pinili kay Alibeba, upang matakpan ang mga pasa sa mukha. Dahil sa aking mananatilan na yung tuluwa sa akin, ako'y nasisilayan. Laging nalalarayan sa paglipas ng panahon, ay di ko na mamalayan na ibig sa tumigas ay tila lalong yung magpupuso pumapagahal parang bilang ulo. Ako'y isang sirena, kahit anong sabihin nila, ako ay ugod ng ganda. Ako'y isang sirena, kahit anong gawin nila, bandera ko'y di tutumba. Drum na may tubig ang sinisisi, naglalakihang put your loving hand out, baby.
Nahihilo na ako.
Zombie.
me know, better privacy, just let me go. On my knees, but I'm begging, 'cause I don't wanna lose you. Hey, yeah, ra-ta-ta-ta. Easy come, easy go. That's just how you live. Oh, take it all, but you never did. Should've known you was choking from the first kiss. Had your eyes wide open, why were they open? Give you all I had, you tossed it in the trash. You tossed it in the trash, you did. To give me all your love is all I ever ask. 'Cause what you don't understand is I'll catch a grenade for you. Throw my head on the blade for you. I jump in front of the train for you. You know I'd do anything for you. Oh, I would go through all this pain. Take a bullet straight through my brain. Yes, I would die for you, baby. But you won't do the same. Oh, no, no, no. Black and blue, beat me till I'm numb. Tell the devils I said, hey man, you get back to where you're from. Mad boy, bad boy, that's just what you are. Yeah, you smile in my face and rip the brakes out of my car. Gave you all I had, you tossed it in the trash. You tossed it in the trash, yes you did. To give me all your love is all I ever ask. 'Cause what you don't understand is I'll catch a grenade for you. Throw my head on a blade for you. I jump in front of a train for you. You know I'd do anything for you. I would go through all this pain.
Okay, guys. 10:30 na pala. Sweetie! Stupid love. Mura yung stupid, di ba? Ayoko. Ipot 200 lang. So, ako kantayin yung No Fear. Sige, mag-extend tayo. Oh my God, first time ko mag-extend. Lagi kasi akong on time. Give you all I had. Gayuma. Ay, yung Gayuma? Hindi, maalala ko yan. Harana, para sa dalaga. Okay. Sige, at 200k. If hindi tayo abot doon, by 10:40, wag na. Pamela 1. Lord, patawad pagkat ako'y makasalanan nilalang. Lord. Alam mo, na-realize ko, ba't wala akong masyadong songs na alam na ngayon? Puro talaga ako K-pop. Puro ako K-pop. Alam ko lang na songs, puro K-pop. Kaka-K-pop mo yan. Literal. P-pop naman. Anti-fragile. Anti-fragile. May tulog na kaya? Nag-aayos pa sila. Excuse me. Yes. Pam, pa, pam, pam, pam. Pararararam. Da-da-da-da-da. Boys like you, oops, kitty. Gusto ko nang bumitaw. Sige po, sige. Bukas po magla-live. Start tayo ulit from the top. Is Ate Aya. If abot lang naman, pero if hindi, let's end na. Kasi kanina umaga pa tong makeup ko. Yes po, by age po kami nagla-live. So every... If may maiba man na order dahil kami mismo nagpa-adjust. Pero usually, same pa rin naman yung member sa araw na yun. Ang naiiba lang minsan yung order. Yes. Get unready with me na. Hoy, hanggang ano tayo? Hanggang 12. Pinisiyo ka ba sa embassy like Maloy? Oh my God! Pwede ba pag-usapan niya? Live ka dapat everyday. Bawal no, bawal. Bawal. Bum, baka maano. ASMR na lang, ASMR. Pampatulog ba? Uy, ang gusto ko ng ASMR. Ano ba? Have a sweet dream. Good night. Good night, loves. I'm gonna take all your energies away. Take all. Nakakatakot. Okay. My precious. My precious. Resorts World Manila. Grabe kayo. Yung favorite ko kayo, ano, yung ASMRs mga ganun. Okay, go to sleep. My precious kasi. Hindi ako nailak sa tawa ko. Okay. Hindi po, wala pong mag-no fear pag di po tayo naka 200k. May ganun eh. Bobo, paano maririnig yun? Thank you, Muriel. Okay guys, hindi tayo umabot. So, let's end ang our live. Thank you so much, Klaus, for coming for tonight. Let's all sleep. Let's take all your bad energies away. I'm on strings, don't cut me off. No, please, don't let me fall off this now. Okay, bye-bye. Tusigaw ka. Good night! SS. Wala ba kayo na SS kanina? Ngarag na tayo guys. Nakailang songs na ako. Wait lang. Huwag muna kayo mag-SS ha. Kaya natin lighting. Oh, hindi. Hindi na ako. This is not me. SS. Tapos ito yung ano ko. Ito yung solo album. Bye, my precious.